What do you want to tell me?
Ochanja, my brother here, George, he said that there is a very beautiful thing he has seen in your compound. And but
will you tell me what you want to tell me? What nonsense is it? If you don't want to talk to me, I will walk you out of my house. What is it?
We have come to tell you something.
Because, Ochanja, first of all, thank you for having us. What my brother is actually trying to say is that I have come to let you know that my intentions over your daughter. I truly love Okamaka, your daughter. Yes.
As someone.
And we actually came to let you know before coming with our
kinsmen. Before I knew to do the normal right.
I've heard you. Now leave my compound. You heard me. I said get out of my house. You are not. Now I know you are not a human being. You are not afraid. For you to come to my house and tell me you want to marry my daughter. Have you fed yourself? It's going to in wine. Get out of my house.
It's not what you think.
You think I'm joking? Come and stay. Anonye, look at them. You want to marry.
Ochanja batuburekio. Ochanja cholego. Ochanja Ochanja cholo chenji kele kele. Ochanja ya. Ochanja cholo yana mele mele.
I'm sorry. You know how my father behaves.
Listen, Okamaka. Your father went too far this time around. Eh? Can you imagine? I don't think I can continue with this relationship, honestly. I've been disgraced several times. I've had enough of it.
Yes, he cannot continue, okay? He cannot continue with this relationship. I mean, I don't just understand it. Look at the way your father disgraced us the other day and even chased us out of his compound. Just like that. What kind of disgrace is that? He is tired. He can't go and look for somebody else. There are still other men that you can look at. Okay? Please, not my brother. Ochorozi.
Let me talk to your brother because you know you're the only one that can talk to him.
Me? Talk to him? It's not possible for me to talk to him. The decision is final. He does not want you. Again, go out there, you will see other men that will even like you. Go.
Listen, Okamaka. Before you came here, I was actually on my way out. So, excuse me.
Hey, because... Nana! Hey! 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 Nana, because you're... Hey! Nana, because you're... Because... Hey!
Okay. If I were you, I will gladly, with all my heart, accept this guy's marriage proposal. Nne, open your eyes now. This is an opportunity every girl would die for. Kiyo, mama.
Wait a minute, Imelda. So, you are now supporting my father, eh? Imelda, you don't care how I feel. I am your friend, for God's sake. You should care how I feel more than every other person. Anyway, you don't know anything about love. This is about love. So don't tell me that.
Any because love my fork. Love my foot. Which love? One, please define love. This guy is very rich. Oh, Diego, ego desis, and he loves you. His love can cover up for both of you. You don't need to love him.
Thank you. Eh? Thank you. Anuko, I can see you are taking side with my father.
You're dull, you know. Okabaka, you're wasting time, oh. This is you're wasting time, oh. Oka, wait, let me tell you.
What is the meaning of this? Meaning of what?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Why are you chasing this young man away with your endless list and high demands?
Mama Maka, that man is rich. Ochego, ego na-esi. This is an opportunity Ochanja to elevate poverty from my home.
So, by chasing him away with your endless list and high demands, is
that why you brought me here? Or did you wake up time?
But check here, no. What you are doing is not good. It is not good.
Hey, Osgo. I know what I'm doing.
Leave
me alone. Pick up. It would not go give me a for. You know, I'm killing my parents. You be a man, easy. I want to be a man, easy. Na bunu. Bem, a jomo be man. Let's go.
Anupupuro, Jackie never least. Ask him to buy you trailer. Ask him to build you a duplex. And you come more.
I think I was so rude to Okamaka the other day she came here. Oh God. I love this girl. I love her so much. God. Listen, I've been looking for Okamaka all over. Have you seen her?
You've not heard?
Heard what?
You've not heard? Eziokwu, you've not heard that Okamaka is now happily married to China and they are traveling to China together very soon.
Okamaka got married to China? Imelda, you must be joking.
Onyano. As comedian that I am, as Uncle JB, I must be joking. I'll take fucking out.
Ochanja,
Madam Cash! Are you going to collect your own share?
Share of what?
This is what you're asking me. You've not heard?
I've not heard of anything.
You've not heard that Okamaka? Okamaka call you wine, my best friend, you know. The one everybody knows, my friend.
Okamaka Ochanja.
What happened to her? She just got married to that guy from China.
Eh?
Ha!
China?
As I'm talking to you, her mother is in the market, sharing gifts, sharing things. Oh, what? When you put that, the person will just drop the pouring things inside. That is not even all. You need to see the way she's bragging inside the market. Onyeka. People will be calling her Mama Ada China. Mama Ada China. Onyeka. Manu. See my bag now. Like, I am going to their house to go collect my phone. Now I'm a family member. I cannot go and start queuing up in the market.
Nah, Bele.
I will go and collect your own share. Now look, you're not free. Go collect your share.
Ochanja, why are you here again?
The great Egwuonwu of Ini River, I greet you. I am happy, and I'm here to appreciate you, to thank you because of what you did for me. My daughter is married to the richest man in this community now, and I am very rich. I am one of the richest people in this community now. Poverty has been alleviated from my family. I am no more poor. I am rich. I am wealthy. So I thank you. And I've come to ask you, what do you want from me? What will I do to appreciate you the more?
Stand, Ochanja. Stand. Stand. I can see you're very happy, Ochanja. You have paid the price which I gave to you by accepting the conditions. Just go! Go! Go!
Hey! What is happening? What is happening? Hi! Madam Cash, you know, did you have the key now? Am I dead or alive? Just look at Mama Adolf yesterday. Walking around the market, proclaiming herself Mama Ada China. And I am here, struggling over this useless, slow-moving business. Now I want Madam Cash. But something has to be done. Something has to be done, and the fast. She was even boasting. And all the market women, we are hailing her. Hey, Madam Cash, shine your eye. Shine your eye.
Mommy, I'm hungry. I'm not eating something.
Come on, get out of my face. I am here thinking of something very important, and you are telling me that useless thing.
But I'm hungry. I've worked for...
Zainab! Come on, get out of here! Idiot! You go and get nearby. Idiot!
What is going on here? Eh?
Ochanja.
Why are you so harsh? This little girl.
Sit down. Thank God you're here.
Thank God I'm here. I hope all is well.
All is not well.
What is the problem?
Ochanja, it's high time you made me your wife.
What? Did you just hear what you said?
You heard me right. Look, I am sick and tired of all these hide and seek games we are playing. This is time you take me in as your wife.
What is it? What you know is not possible. How could you even, think of that? How?
Ochanja, I've just said my mind.
Idiot there, the animal that want to break my door.
Hey! Hey! Ochanja mu animal. Para cash animal. Okay. Animal let's go inside.
What are you doing? What is the meaning of this? Huh? Do you want my wife to see you here?
Your wife? What am I? Your concubine?
Are you my wife?
Anyway, that's not the issue. The issue is that since you refuse to handle this matter officially, I have decided to take the bull by the horn. So, I am now fully welcome to my own husband's house. You are mine.
I got to film. Are you crazy?
Yeah.
What do you think people will say when they see you here?
Okay. You are now thinking of what people will say.
Calm down.
Che, let me ask you. I will not calm down. When you were ravaging me, did you ever cross your senses? Now you want to know what people will say. You know how to get you. How to this now? You know how to settle. Okay. Answer her. I heard noises. What is going on?
Nothing is happening. I won't go in.
I'll see you later. You better tell her what is going on. Because if you don't tell her, I will tell her myself. No, what is going on?
It's okay. I will explain. But it's not what you think. I will explain.
I'm not started thinking anything. I just asked what is going on. No. Your husband, anyway, our husband here, because he's now also my husband, has been having an illicit affair with me. And now I am pregnant for him. So I've gone to possess my possession with my daughter. That's all. No. What this woman is saying, is it true? Answer. I said, what this woman is saying, is it true? The pure truth. I am wait now, I am asking my husband. You said illicit affair. You said possess your possession. Wait, let me confirm. What does he want to say? He doesn't know anything to say. He doesn't know anything. I'm telling you. But he knows the way to that thing he said. Oh, if you which that's what we are saying. Let me ask him. What she's saying, is it true? Come. Madam, please excuse. Let me enter my husband's house. Ochanja, come and show me. I'm asking you. What this woman is saying, is it true? Ochanja, show me my room. You don't want to show me, I will enter any room. Where? Come and show me my own room. Is it this way or that way? Which way? Enter that room. No, we will go together. I have was I the one that did it? I want Ochanja to show you the way. Let's go inside together. Was I the one that slept with you? No! Baby, why did you go? Let me talk to you. You better ask this prostitute to leave my house. Ask her to leave my house because I'm not going to share my home with any idiot.
Please, calm down. We still have a way of sorting things out.
I don't want I don't want. The fact that you went and slept with that thing, leaving me at home, you went and slept with that thing. And what if I'm going to iron out?
Please, I want you to calm down. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It's temptation. You see, I promise it will not happen again. See, calm down. You see, I don't want people to hear us.
Temptation. Temptation indeed. It happened to the extent that she took it. It's not only one dead business. You did it and did it and did it and did it to the extent that she got pregnant. It's either this woman leaves my home or this house will not contain both of us. There will be no peace and there will be anarchy. And down. What do you think you are doing? Eh? What are you doing? Why do you have to remove my pot and put this your poisoned kettle with nonsense thing that is inside it? Eh? You called my own kettle a poisoned one. It is poisoned. It is poisoned. The water inside it is poisoned. And you're looking for people to poison with it. What are you cooking? What do you have inside? Nothing. Yeah. So I don't have any right again to cook in my own husband's house. Which husband? My own husband. It's my own husband and not your own husband. So if you're looking for where to cook, go and get your own kitchen. This kitchen belongs to me. Onwuka. You must remove this nonsense poison cattle. I'll cook my own food. Don't touch my girl. I will wash me and see.
Foolish woman has killed me.
I will kill this woman. I will kill this woman. My head, no. My head, no.
I will not tolerate this. I will not take it. Do you hear me? I don't know how you came into this house. You better crawl back to that bottomless pit where you came from. Do you hear me?
Idiot! Who are you talking to? Me? See, it's your mother, your useless mother here that crawled out from the bottomless pit. Not me, my
Papa, it is because of you I'm leaving this woman. It is because of you I'm leaving this woman. See, I don't know how you came into this house. You better go back to where you came from. Because I will not take it, Papa. I will not take it to this house.
Ha! See, this is just the beginning. Okay? You did not see my own. If you don't come in, don't get me careful. I don't blame you people. But let me tell you, by the time I am through with your mother, she will know her place. Eh? Try it
now. Try it and you see the stuff I made up in this house. See, Papa, it's because of you. Mama, how could you allow Papa to bring this straight woman into this house? Eh?
What do you want me to do? I just saw her. And the next thing she said that she's pregnant for your father. And this man sitting by my side that is your father did not have man to utter a word.
Papa, how could you have done such a despicable thing? How could you?
Will you shut up your mouth? I said shut up your mouth. How dare you talk to me like that?
What respect?
Remember, I'm still your father no matter what. I'm still your father.
My father what?
A shameless father.
My father what?
A good for nothing father.
Papa, I am so much disappointed in you.
Say it.
Papa, I regret ever calling you a father. Eh? How could you have brought this woman? Don't look at what she did to my brother. Look at my mother's hand. See, and if you, Mama, any day she tries it, on my phone, call me and I'll idiot. Try it. Try it, I swear.
Get out of here.
Papa, I will not take it to. Try it.
What for? Izuchukwu. You are too small. The next time it's your head, I will cut off your head. Your head can't get you a bolano.
I must tell you the truth. Even though you don't take me as anybody again in this house, but what I will tell you is nothing but the truth.
Let that truth eat your head.
Eh? Let it eat my...
Yes. You have lost your respect.
Woman, be careful. Inokwam n'aka ọjọọ. Madam Cash, what is it? Carry on.
Is it not your useless wife that made me to lose my pregnancy?
What? How come? You lost my baby?
Yes, she fought me the other day, you knew now. After the fight, I lost my baby.
Hey, this is wrong. Eh? Look at you. Ask her whether she was pregnant in the first place. She was pregnant. She was carrying my son. I know that very well.
Oh, a good son. Very nice one. Not the animal she gave birth to.
You are now a murderer.
Oh,
eh?
I say ask her whether she was pregnant.
She was carrying my son. I know. Yeah, she was carrying my son.
Good son, wow. Hey, that's why I say you've lost your respect. You're no longer the man I married. Useless man, that's what you are.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me tell you.
Sorry now. Oh, sorry. The next time you try it, I will chase you out of this house. After all, I'm the one that married you.
Yo! Nonsense. Pregnant. I have food.
Sorry.
Witch. I am a witch. So you have to leave my house. What do you come looking for in a witch house? You know I was a witch and you came. This school we are going to is for me. We are acquiring this education for me. So be careful.
Anybody looks to you, don't hesitate.
No, I will not hesitate. And meanwhile, I'm not afraid. I can fight for myself.
Mama,
quiet.
You come now.
So be careful.
I will.
Don't get into any trouble.
Okay, I will.
Hey, wait. Nkitala. Wadanya o. Opanu suboso. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Some people jealous. Hey! Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my son. Oh. Hey! My graduate son. Oh. Graduate one. My graduate son. Oh. My graduate son. Oh. Some people jealous me. What up, gosh?
Yeah.
Is this really you?
Yes. Imelda, you are looking sweet.
Thank you. When did you come back?
Oh, I came back today. I said, let me stroll around, and I saw you. I said, let me stop and greet a beautiful girl like you.
Thank you.
Ime, turn around. You have changed. Turn, Mr. Naya. Mr. Naya! Turn. Keep turning. Keep turning. Sit in your hand.
Odogu.
It's for you. Pick.
Odogu.
They are up for you.
Yes. Pick. Hey! Meskana.
Yes.
Odogu.
That is me.
Timo. Hey.
Nobody.
It's for
you.
Meskana na China. Yes. Number 1 on China.
I'm the one.
Hey!
Look at it over
Meskana
there. It's for you.
Hey!
Look at them there. They are all
Hey!
for you. In fact, Ibugo,
Hey!
they are for you.
Meskana! Hey!
In fact, now, hop in.
I swear to the car.
Hop in. Follow me. Follow me.
Hey! Hey!
Imelda.
Hey, Odogu.
Come, let me take you.
Hey! Thank you.
I'm running late for this meeting. What am I saying? Hey! Who is coming to my compound with this big car? Hey! My son is back from China. Hey! Come on. Hey! Come on from China. You are welcome, my son.
Daddy.
Hey! Let me fix it.
Yes! Where is everybody? Where's Mama? Papa?
My son is back from China.
Yeah.
My son is back from China.
Thank you.
Sit down.
I brought a lot of things. Yeah.
Okay.
I came back with a lot of champagne, you know. You got to pump it, and be happy. You look good. You look voluptuous.
Yes, we are looking good.
You look voluptuous.
So, how is everything?
Good. In fact, I've seen my talking her.
Yes.
Everything is moving well.
Oh, yes. So my son cannot speak China. How is business?
Business into her.
What of your China? What of China?
No, I no longer stay with them. I have
Why?
Now.
Oh my God!
I bought cars all over the places. You know, people are working for me now. Yes, I have so many people now.
Meaning?
I have many people.
Oh, you have many people now.
Of course.
And you're on your own.
Yeah, of course.
Hey, you're a big boy now.
So where are they? I mean, they should come out now.
Everybody, no, they've gone out. It's only me in the house.
Okay, it means
let me ask you.
Yes.
So you no more drink?
No. I pop champagne. You know.
Which one is champagne?
Those one that looks like a bomb. When you open it, you torture.
Eh?
Torture. Yeah.
Torture my son. Torture my son.
That is bombing.
Bumping. Hey, my son.
I
call you. You are my illustrious son.
Thank you.
Forget about Obi Ajolo.
Okay.
Stupid.
Father,
he's still in the school. Oh.
Those things are very, very important. Let's go and I'll bring them.
Okay. You know, your brother is still in the school. Reading law. He still have 15 years old.
See money. I am not counting in thousands. So money sent to me from my son. That came back from China. Some people thought that I will never have money, like all the society women. Don't follow, let them not pick my money. But see me, I am counting money, thousands. Now, very soon, I will start to wear high-heel shoes and begin to rub pancake with my money. And my daughter will soon put to bed in Egwuonwu. Hey, only family we wear now because we wear silence. I can pay John Mugo. My son, daughter will soon put to bed. My Gawo Mugo to China. Travel line. Silence. Only family we wear.
Imelda.
So, you're sure you really want to marry me?
If I'm not sure, will I be disturbing you? I won't tell you that I want to marry you if I'm not sure. All I need from you now is just to say yes. If you say yes, I've made the money. I've made money. Just say yes and all the money will become yours. Yes. Yes.
Mascara, you have money.
I have the money.
And you want to marry me?
Yes.
Of course I will marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
Hey! You have said it all. Thank you very much. Do you know one thing I want you to do now? I want you now to tell me what you want. Just mention anything and I will do it right away.
Just like that?
Just like that. Because I have the money. I have made the money.
Okay.
Yes.
Mascara, my husband. I want you. I want you to take me to London because I want to see London Bridge.
London? That one is a small case.
Ezeoku.
Come back, I'm a case.
Ezeoku.
It's a small case. In fact, I'm not going to take you to only London. I will take you around the whole world. After our marriage.
Hey!
Yes. I will take you around the whole world.
Hey!
Yes, I have made the money. Money is like a woman. when you have it, use it. Because it will be stolen by another man.
Okay. So, when is the marriage? Like, have you fixed a date? Can be the
very soon. That's today or tomorrow. Because the money is there.
Sharp, sharp.
I'm going to tell my people now that I have the cash. I want to pay your bride price. I will do everything today, tomorrow.
Sharp, sharp. Hey! Money is good.
Yes.
Money is very... See, I keep telling people that money is good. They will not believe me.
Keep telling them.
Yes. Hey!
Tell them.
That means after the marriage, I will now become Imelda one.
In London?
Na China. No, China first. We have to get to home branch.
Okay.
Ebesi, we put the money.
Imelda in China to London.
And in London. Mescal, I know what?
Yeah.
Just wait for me. Just hold on. Okay. I am coming.
I want to go and change and wear 5 clothes.
Alright.
So that we'll go and cruise around the village.
Sintonya.
Can they mad of Fuziano? Let people see Mrs. Mescana.
Sintonya.
Hey! Just wait for me. One more. I'm coming.
Alright.
Why I sent for you is to inform you that your younger brother here want to get married. I know traditionally he is supposed not to marry before you because you are his elder brother. Yes. But because he has made the money now, we can't wait for you before you finish from your useless and stupid school. So that's why we ask you to come.
If that is what you want, you really want to get married, I give you my support. That is all I have to tell you. Thank you.
You have no choice than to support him. Your God is alive. Because I thought you wanted to oppose it. So that I will tell you how stupid, how useless, how idiotic, you know. Because that's not how he waits for you till you add. Which course is he?
Papa, I am studying law.
Law?
Yes.
You become lawyer?
In the university.
Oh, that course that takes
20 years.
20 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chikotaya, 20 years. So, how many years have you?
Papa, I have spent 2 years in the university.
Oh, 2 years?
Yes.
20 minus 2, 18 years. So, you will still have 18 years
Papa,
before you finish. By that time, you will grow white hair. Hey!
Papa, I am not ready for all this mockery right now. I just, I travel the long distance. I have to go into the house and rest.
It's okay. Go and rest, oh. Go and rest. It's good. Just go and rest. This week, oh.
Emeka, later now.
All right. So,
Papa, I'll talk to you.
It's okay. My illustrious Afunwa Elotena Omekana Ikalaka.
Thank you.
Ikalaka. Let's talk something very, very reasonable. To me, personally, what I want from you. I want, you see this car. I want you, if you are going back, just leave this car for me. So can we Neko? Free. Neko no boda. Hama that na Ochanja. Na one me buto Dikeh. Ochanja.
Sent it on her.
Meaning.
Sent it on her. Meaning the car is for you already.
Oh, the car is for you already.
It's for you already.
Oh my God! So it's for me.
It's for you.
I am car owner. Oh my God,
Take it. Papa, Sincho.
Sincho? What is Sincho?
Good morning.
Oh. So when you say Sincho, I say Sincho, that means I say good morning.
Good morning.
It's okay. You see, why I called you is just to tell you that I am very happy the way the traditional marriage went. It was successful. So, and again, I want to know when you have in mind to go back to China with your new married wife.
Papa, am I not in my father's house? You're not choosing my children now.
No, don't misunderstand me. Another man I'm not driving you. It's your father's house, but it's just that if you overstay, it's bad because these are village people are very wicked. For him, don't want to get away now. And you cannot understand what you definitely will understand what I'm saying. You're supposed to understand what I'm saying.
But at least I've told you that my containers are not yet clear. So as soon as the container clears, then I will go back with my wife.
Okay.
Take her back to China.
It's alright. You should say so. There's no problem. Don't misunderstand me.
No.
I wish you well.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay.
I don't understand.
It's alright.
Emeka, hey! You can run, but cannot hide, Emeka. I will definitely catch you, and when I do, the money I made in China, you made away with it. Hey! I will deal with you. Run, get this car, let's go. Hey! That belongs to me.
Emeka, Emeka, we shall see. Let me tell you, every day is for the thief. Every day is for the thief, but just one day. One day is for the owner of the house. You stole my brother's money. You stole one name na China. Then Neko. Emeka, I will deal with you. Hey, Emeka.
I am tired of this kind of story. Give me my own share. Give me the that is now. Let me start going to the market. As you can see, I'm already prepared. How can you be so wicked like this? How can you just give only money to go to the market? Now she's in the market buying heaven and earth. And you're here telling me story.
Point of correction. I did not give her any money. It is her son that gave her the money she went to market. Just calm down. I will go out this evening. I'll get money for you tomorrow.
Emeka gave you money too. Emeka has been sending money to you from China.
Hey!
Where is that thief? Where is that bro? Where is that thief? Where is that thief you call the son? Where is that thief you call the son?
Where is Emeka?
Where is he? Emeka, your son stole my money from China and run away. I will catch him. I will definitely catch him. I will catch him. I will definitely get him. And when I get him, what I will do to him, he will not understand.
Emeka, where can you be? Where can you go, brother? My brother's money.
Yes, my money.
Where can you go?
Now wait. Let me understand. You know you don't know how to ask questions. Maybe you didn't hear him well. Because you see that Emeka did what? Stole your money.
Emeka Onyori. He stole my money and run away. Onyori Kobo. I get him, I will deal with him. I will deal with your son. You don't know me. They hold me. Odobu na China. Go to Libya. Look for him. Look for him. Hey, look for him. Sorry me at that boy. I will kill him. Search for him and get him. After me, I lose your tito Riembombo. But I will definitely catch him. Me, I hope na Onyori Kobo. Let's go. Let's go. Let me tell you. I know what to do.
If you know where you hid Emeka, go and bring him out now. If I remember Emeka, I will personally kill him.
Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go.
I will personally kill him. Don't worry. Yoshi. Thieves! Emeka is a thief. Yoshi.
What is all again? Let people not hear it now.
Try to find your wife, Mama in China. Come back from market or your son is a thief. They go China now. Ochanja! Go China,
Mescara, I don't understand all this. What is going on here? Eh? So that car belongs to China, your sister's husband, and you're telling me they're kidnappers?
Baby, calm down, bring down your voice. Don't you know that your voice will attract those kidnappers? Bring down your voice.
Become a chono. Shut up your mouth. Who is fooling who? Which kidnappers? I heard them loud and clear, calling you thief, Onori, saying that you stole the car, and you're telling me they're kidnappers.
Who?
Let's go home.
We can't go home now. Try and understand me. We can't go home now.
So I will stay inside this bush with you.
Please, we will stay here until they are gone.
Stay where? Inside this bush?
Please.
You are who?
Me and you, please.
See, listen to me. Hold your ears. Let what I am suspecting not be true.
It is not true.
Let what I am suspecting not be true, Meskana.
It's not.
Because if it's true, you will not need a mirror to see your ears. I married you because of your money.
I know.
Nothing else.
I know.
Because of getting your money.
And the Jeep. And the China. And London.
Broken my legs.
Let's go home. I will massage your legs. Sorry, yeah? Are you sure they are gone?
Left his business for Emeka. Emeka sold everything and ran away with the money. We never knew that. He came back to the village only to use the money and get married.
Hey, Emeka. So Emeka really stole from your husband. Ran to the village and started lavishing money anyhow as if he has made money. Eh? Picking, jumping from one woman to the other. Please, Okpkokpo, you know you're my sister. And Emeka is my brother. You will help us and plead with your husband to see reason clear.
Brother, my husband is very pissed. My husband is pissed and I don't know how to talk to him.
Please, Anonye, Oka, just help us plead with your husband to forgive him. Oh? Because, you know, Emeka now, you cannot just harm him or arrest him because he stole money from your husband. Oh?
Brother,
Anonye,
I have been trying. Brother, I have been trying. Eh? See, Emeka me wara yobi. Emeka me gido me kwapi obi. Emeka zuru zukwo mi isi ego. See, if I dey put about burego mahaz, we are talking about dollars or burego mahaz, brother. I don't know.
Can you do this grace in here? Eh? Emeka don't know. He just steal. He want to be stealing, collecting people's properties. Okay, now he has stolen from your husband. Run to the village just to hide.
Maka, easy boy. Please now, help me beg your husband. Let him forgive. Please. He should find a place in his heart to forgive. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Okay, say, well, I should kneel down. I will kneel down and beg.
You don't have to kneel down. Emeka is my brother. Yeah? And I know what he's capable of doing, even when my husband wanted to take him to China. But I never believed that this kind of thing would happen. How do you want me to beg my husband? Eh? I don't know how to beg my husband.
Please now, just beg him. How can Emeka do a thing like this? Eh? How can he? What kind of disgrace is this? What can I check on a square one? As in, I can't even imagine it. Just look at your friend and see how fine I'm looking. I don't want to go back to the way I used to be. Please. Eh?
I've been trying. But the money we're talking about is not a small one. Eh? It's not a small one. That is the problem. I don't know how to beg my husband.
Okay. Please. Just keep trying. Just beg him. Come on, you buy a Kevin and that beg. Just touch him somewhere and beg him. You know what to do.
Only if I'm just telling you that the money is not a small one, but anyway, I will try. At least to know if you listen to me. But I'm not assuring you that I will solve your problem. I just said I will try.
Thank you. Thank you, praise God. Thank you, you've done enough. Thank you.
Yeah, oh, yeah. A living dog is better than a dead lion. You need to understand this fact.
Imelda! What is the meaning of this?
You are the meaning of this, Emeka. You are the meaning of this!
How?
Are you cursed? Why, Emeka? Eh?
How?
Abugonu! All you do every day is sit down, sleep and drink. Nothing else. Instead of you to go and look for something to do, you sit down here with folded arms and expect manna to fall from sky. You Maruche. Can't you say Momo's due?
And so?
And
so what? Kajani Wemesia? Eh? Were you not there when Tana snatched my car away from me and froze my account? So what else do you want me to do? Eh?
Hey!
It's okay. Where do you want me to get money from?
This man, you're such a shameless man.
Thank you, let me be.
Thank you. You don't have any shame in your eyes.
Thank you.
The money he took from you, is it not his right?
It is
the
not.
car he took from you, is it not his car?
I suffered a lot.
You're very, very lucky that this young man is so kind-hearted.
Yes.
If by now you would have been arrested somewhere in jail.
If not, you are having my baby. All this, in fact, let me just keep.
Emeka, listen, let me tell you. I cannot continue to do this in this condition. I told you. I warned you. I cannot continue. Better go and look for something to do. If not, I'll wait for us. You will receive paper in this house. I am telling you.
Kubam, you can't even kill me, but you see that baby? You are in trouble. That baby! That is Emeka Jr. you are looking at. Emeka from China to London. Let nothing happen to him.
And lost in thoughts recently. What is going on? What are you thinking?
Nana, to be honest with you, I cannot stop thinking about Amaka. Yes, that girl has taken a whole part of my heart. Honestly, I can't stop thinking about her.
Brother, I cannot believe this. Brother, what is wrong with you? Eh? She's already married to China. It's been 2 years. Eh? Just stop thinking about her. I don't understand it. I don't just understand it. Very soon I will grow white hair. You are still too young to be thinking like this. Stop.
Mama, like I said before, you don't understand and you will never do.
Okay, tell me, what is there not to understand? The fact that I just sitting down here all day daydreaming, or the fact that she's not going to come back to you? No, tell me, which one? Nah, I don't understand you. To be very, very honest with you, Izuchukwu, I don't get it.
Nah, I don't understand you. Seriously.
Come on, hold it there. Oga, please.
Hey, stop there.
Please, where does Igbo people, please, for here? I want to urinate.
Where are you coming from, my friend?
Coming from? No, I was just coming from somewhere, so I needed. I just want to ease myself.
Ease yourself here. What are you?
What
are you hiding?
Look at you, say somewhere.
Yes, somewhere.
You did not go now.
Holding? No, I said, I'm holding a yam. I just bought it from this woman. It's a yam. Wow.
Okay, that woman down there.
Yes.
Come on, go down on your knee.
Go down.
You down?
No.
Every time you steal small, I will hit you.
No, I did not steal it.
Shut up.
Okay, I can explain. I can explain. I can explain, okay. No, I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. Now don't flog me.
Drop it.
Okay.
Yeah, remove your clothes.
My clothes. Okay. Yes. Wait. Let me remove the clothes first. Yes. I'm doing it.
Just leave him.
I'm doing it. Leave me, please. Thank you.
I love you. You're a good.
Yes.
Sharp guy. Hey,
okay, God will bless. Oh!
Remove this one.
My trouser.
Remove it.
Hey, madam.
Do it fast. Okay,
Izuchukwu.
like that.
I'm removing it.
Be fast about
that. Hey, I'm doing it fast. Yeah, be fast. I'm doing it fast. Okay, as if I'm. Hey. Okay, you're a good man.
Shut up.
Thank you. Can I go?
Something.
This one too.
Give her one.
Hey, no, now. Don't give
me. Food it.
I'm doing it. I'm fast about it. Hey. Okay, please. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Okay, yeah. Okay. I thought you said that
you're smart, eh?
No, I'm not smart. Hey, okay, don't kick me. I'm not a football. I'm not a ball.
No, shut up, man. You know how to teach now.
No, I'm not. I just took it. No, I moved.
Who want to give you? You guys took it from your papa.
I moved it. Somebody was hungry.
Put it on your head.
Thank you.
Put the yam on your head.
Can I go?
Spin it down. Put your slippers on your head.
Okay.
Put it. Yeah, look at the stupid pen. Pick it there.
The stupid pen.
Now put it on your head. Okay. Stand up. Now you'll be singing, I'm a thief. Where I go?
I am a thief. I am a criminal. I am an armed robber. Okay, easy. I am a thief.
Ozu Murawayibu. Anumpa. Good for nothing. You're just an empty vessel. You see this man, eh? Sometimes when I'm looking at you, I feel like strangling you. Will you Susu inside and help me talk, Gary? I said Susu inside. Neja.
Excuse me, but leave my baby.
What kind of mistake? Eh?
Ifuwerika akunubani fenwenwe ndi mmadụ na-achọ.
Madam Cash.
As you can see, I am living with richest because I'm tired of you and it's your useless family. You know? And if I continue living here, it will cost me more harm, more expenses, more pains. So I cannot continue. This is your daughter, eh? Take good care of her because I have tried my best. Continue from where I stopped, okay? Good day. Shut up! This is your home. This is your father. Stay with him. I've tried my best to train you up to this level. Let him continue from where I stopped, okay? Have a nice day.
Don't leave me here. I'll follow you. I want to follow you.
It's your drugging man. Like daughter, like father. Look, let me tell you. If you ever follow me, I will make sure you regret it. It's a bastard! Idiot! Look, if you ever follow me,
what is the meaning of this? You mean you want to leave her?
I am leaving already. She is your daughter.
No, you can't do that. This is not what we agreed on. We had an agreement. This is not what we agreed on.
Agreement or no agreement, it is over. I even thought that your useless son that went to China will make money, huge amount of money, and he come back with the money so I can enjoy it. That was even why I came here in the first place. But I now realize that he is a thief. So I cannot continue with you people. All of you are useless. Even your wife, all your children. Even Nkechi will be useless like you. Useless man.
So you are truly my father.
Zainab. Nori. I shall walk in. Bye-bye. You better stay there. If you follow me, you become a bastard.
Who does she think she is? Madam Cash, Madam Cash. After all, she has been maltreating you. Am I saying the truth or not? Don't worry. You will stay with me here. I will train you. I will take good care of you. Let her go. Don't mind her. You are my daughter. Okay? Please sit down.
Mama, the whole house is entirely empty. Not even one cup of garri to drink in this house.
What will I do? This is the handwork of your husband. What will I do? Since he duped China and left, he no longer sends money to us. I am empty. So I don't even know what to do, my daughter. So, what if I'm manga, me? I don't know. I don't have anything.
Mama, somebody cannot continue to starve in this house now. Are we all going to die of starvation? Especially me in this condition. Mama, Mama, I cannot continue. I cannot continue, Mama. I cannot continue. I cannot continue.
Please, I'm hungry. I've not eaten. I've been working since morning.
And who are you calling Mama? Am I your mother? Why did you go with your mother when she left? So I should not be held responsible for you. Oh man, it's not possible. If you know who get back to you, you can meet her. Or you can meet him. Me, I'm a different entity. Can you handle me? I don't know. But you know, just so that we have empty pots. You are hungry. You come to go down. Who will I cry?
I'm hungry.
What is the matter? Why are you crying?
I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
You are hungry? You have not eaten? Hey! You have not eaten since morning. You are hungry and you are not crying. Look, people that are hungry always cry. Cry! So that I hear. Cry. You are hungry and you are not crying. Now you are crying. So, stop crying. Let us go and prepare this. Eat it. Since you are hungry.
You said you don't have money. Where did you get this here?
Do you want to ask questions or you want to eat? No, keep asking questions. You better rush. Go and let's go and cook it so that we'll eat it before people start coming. Don't mind it. As long as I'm involved in this house, I will not allow hungry to kill you. I won't allow them to stab you. Just enjoy yourself. Eat and be happy. Imelda, what is the meaning of all this? Huh?
Shameless man. Came with a joy. If I so you think I will sit in this house and watch you cook and finish it? You don't even care for that plan eating.
Did you tell me you are hungry? Eh? If you are hungry, at least your face will change. You will fry your face and people will know that you are hungry. Did you tell me? Eh?
So it's until a day of starvation. That's when you give me food, up here? Or probably you now go and bury me and be happy. Up here?
Do you know how the yam came about? Eh?
Nah. You see me, man? I don't care. If you like, let the yam come from Agbarakwe Shrine. Or maybe let it be that you stole it from China as well. I don't care. I will eat.
Hi. No. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Eat. I will look for something else and eat.
Marama. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I was ravaged by anger. I did not mean to harm you. Please, forgive me. I did not even know it was hot water. When they see, I went to make very nice, delicious rice and stew for you. Just eat, oh? Take now. Oh, please now.
You see? Have you seen what you have just caused? Look at what you made her to be. You have disfigured her face. Because of meat, small meat. She took small meat from your pot. And you did this to her. Who will come and say, how are you now? Who will say, I will marry you now? Look at her face.
But it's not as if it was intentional. I did not mean to hurt her now.
It's not as if.
Biogum, I call Biogum Siadi.
Can they be hot temper? Can they be hot temper?
Well, you know I have hot temper now. I was angry. She went to my pot. But I'm sorry, only. I'm sorry, please. Okay, let me feed you.
Sorry,
let me feed you. I'm sorry. Let me feed you now.
Eat. Are you working? Fugun, eat it. Make sure you finish it. Sorry, eh? Eat it, though.
But I did not mean to hurt her now. Somebody help! Help! Fire! Fire! Onyeka! Are you?
What is the problem?
The baby is coming.
The baby is coming. Do you want to kill the baby? What do you want me to do? Don't drop me! Am I a doctor? Don't! Leave me! Am I the doctor? I only feel something.
What is going on here?
Let the baby come out.
What is
the baby belongs to me.
What is it?
Oh, Papa, you are here.
My daughter-in-law, what is it?
Thank God you are here.
Huh?
The baby.
The baby. You are in labor. You are in labor. Emeka, look at yourself. Your wife is in labor. You can't take her to the maternity. Papa, you know,
my own is to fix it.
I'm not here.
I'm on the floor.
Stupid boy. You keep drinking and send you to China. Papa. You messed up there. That's not. You don't want to do anything in this life. Papa. Nonsense. Papa. Nonsense. Papa.
I'm on the floor, Papa.
Sorry, let's go.
Papa, imagine me on the floor.
I'm normal.
I feel something to that person. Come, Papa.
The head is outside. The head. Papa, the head.
Sorry.
The head.
Come and take me to the autopsy.
The head is outside. The
Sorry,
head.
my daughter.
Papa.
Sorry, my daughter.
That my baby belongs to me. Hey! That is Emeka Jr. from China to London. Hey, who will help me? Somebody help! Somebody help me! Hey! Imanda!
My daughter, please don't go. Please, see, I was even planning to come and see your mother, to thank your mother for her charity, for the way she has been taking care of you and the baby. Please don't go, please.
Papa, see, I'm only respecting you. See, I just came here to pick up my remaining things. You've been planner. For the past 2 weeks that I gave birth, all of you just abandoned me at the maternity.
I'm sorry.
Even though my mother came to bail me, who knows what might have happened by now? You're here begging me.
Please, let us be managing. Okay, let me kneel down.
No,
let me kneel down. Let me kneel down.
Don't kneel down, Papa.
To beg you now, let me kneel down.
Papa, stand up. Let me just ask you a question. Just take a very good breath. Papa, ne gudu manya. Anama draw tantam. So, because I gave birth to one child, I should die.
No, you will not die.
Papa, Biko, I'm sorry. Another man will come.
Hey,
yeah?
Because
Hey,
don't do this to me.
What is happening here?
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, please.
Papa,
what is it?
What is going on? Why are you? Oh! She wants to go. Papa, allow her to go. She can go. After I will go and take care of my son. I will take my son. Papa,
are you stupid?
Papa, no, I am not. Papa, I will take care of my. Hey, Papa,
I will kill you today. I will kill you today.
I was in a dream.
And what happened?
I saw myself becoming a king. So this is the fulfillment of the king. Hey, am I a king? Papa, you are raising me up. Hey, Papa, I will kill you. Papa, I'll kill you.
Amaka, what is the problem? Why are you crying? Since you came back, you've not been yourself, and I don't like this mood. Eh? Okay, talk to me. I'm your father. What is the problem? What is eating you up?
Papa.
My daughter.
Papa is my husband.
Your husband? What about your husband? Is everything alright?
He's threatening to throw me out of the house.
For what? Onayala? Eh? It's Odubayama. He cannot do that.
Papa, it's been 2 years. Getting to 3 years we got married. But I have not been able to give him a child. He said that he will throw me out of the house if by the end of this month I don't get pregnant.
Is that serious?
Baba, we have gone for several tests and they said we are fine. But Baba, I don't know why I can't get pregnant. Papa, I don't know what is wrong with me.
No, nothing is wrong
Papa,
with you.
what is wrong with me? I can't get pregnant.
Nothing is wrong with you. You are perfectly okay. It's okay. Everything is alright with you. Eh? Calm down. Okay? You give him children at appropriate time, okay? Just calm down. You see, don't be worried. Don't worry again. Eh? Don't worry. I will call him and I will talk sense to him. Eh?
You call him Baba?
Yes, I promise you that. Eh?
Oga, your husband should understand that you're not the manufacturer of children. God gives children. Why would he be so bitter that you cannot bear him a child? Eh?
Brother, my husband don't want my daughter. Brother, he said it's my fault for not being able to conceive. Eh? In fact, he gave me till 1 month to get pregnant. Else he'll be forced to throw me out of the house.
No. Barely 2 years of marriage. He's thinking about throwing you out of the house. It can't happen.
The look I saw on his face the last time tells me he's very serious. Brother, I'm scared. I'm very scared.
Okay. You see, okay, don't worry. Oh, you will have your own children at the right time. He's not the giver of children. Oh, don't worry. At the right time, you have your own children.
Ochanja Ochanja cholego Ochanja Ochanja cholego chikilekele Ochanja Papa Ochanja cholo yana bilibili Ochanja
Obiaju. Are you sure nobody's there? Sorry, eh? Don't mind those boys. Sorry. Okay. Honestly, I have missed you. I've missed you so much. I love you.
You know I'm married now.
Okay, so you had the mind to leave me after everything that we have been through together.
How did you know that you could do such a thing?
I'm sorry. My parents.
Your parents? Even at that? Okay, you should have at least stood for what you believed in. You should have stood for our love. I still have feelings for you. Honestly. Are you sure your father will not come back?
My in-law, is everything alright?
How can everything be alright? When you gave me a barren woman to marry as a wife, after 2 years of marriage, she couldn't give me a child. Upon all my effort, now one body can manage here and make a okay.
Please, calm down. Eh? Calm down. You see, God's time is the best. My daughter will give you children at God's own time. Relax. Eh? Just be patient with her.
I am done with her, and that is final. I even brought her things back for her. Yes. Yes, I'm leaving.
Over, please.
What is it? Ogene, are you okay?
I don't know what is wrong with me.
Okay.
I have been feeling feverish. I'm vomiting since last night. Hey.
Okay. Cheluguru. When last did you see your flu? Eh? Because this is what you've been feeling feverish and having headache since last night.
Brother, I don't know. I've not seen it for the past 2 months.
Hey! Oka, it seems you're pregnant. Yes.
Brother, it's like it's true.
Papa, thank God that you're here.
No, Papa, I know this meeting is not for another thing. But how you people will kill me as your father? Oh, Kunubom! What is it?
Papa, this is serious issue. Nobody's killing you. Papa, Oka Dime.
Huh?
Oka is pregnant.
She can't be pregnant.
And I am telling you that she's pregnant.
Huh? You are pregnant? You are pregnant?
Papa.
You are pregnant?
Papa, what is it?
You are pregnant?
Papa, what is it?
Papa, please.
You see what you have caused?
I must confess.
Papa,
confess.
Let me confess.
Confess what?
I must confess. I went into a covenant.
Okay.
With the gods of Ngena Rivers. The great Ezenwai of Ngene River. My request is this. I have a daughter. She is my investment. I want the richest man in this community to marry my daughter so that he will alleviate poverty from my family. Because my 2 sons are very useless and stupid. They don't want to help me. That's why I am here.
In that case, I shall do it for you. Your daughter will get married to a wealthy and a rich man. But she will never, ever give birth in her matrimonial home. In her matrimonial home. Never!
I told them that if my daughter will marry a rich man that will enrich my family and alleviate poverty from my house, that let my daughter not give children to her husband.
Papa! So that you can alleviate poverty from my house.
Papa, how could you? Papa, how could you? How could you have done such a thing?
Abomination!
I'm sorry.
Papa, I'm sorry. So it's been you all this while, Papa.
I just did it to alleviate poverty.
Papa, what have I done to you?
Papa, poverty what? Poverty what?
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Then God had disappointed you, Papa.
I'm sorry.
God had disappointed you. This pregnancy is not for my husband.
Who is responsible?
Okay, who is responsible for that pregnancy?
Who?
Hey! Ebo mi bi mama! Ebo mi bi mama! Hey! I am come on. Take me from this bed. I can't get up.
Papa, this is what you've cost.
No, you must.
This is what you've cost.
I can't walk. Take me.
Don't look at my only sister now. She's pregnant for Otochi.
I can't get up again. I can't walk.
Please.
Want to chase poverty? Oh,
Can you do this too?
I either get rich or die trying.
Let's take him inside.
Want to chase poverty away from my house, even if he had to take what I have. Want to chase poverty away. I either get rich or die trying. Want to take poverty away from my house, even if he have to take what I have. Lord, have mercy.
Who got Chicha Joka?
Somebody pray for me.
Who got Chicha Joka?
Who got Chicha Nebuten Sobuo?
Who got Chicha Joka?
Who got Chicha Nebuton?
Ochanja Ochanja Cholego. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Chenchi Kile Kile. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Yana Bili Bili. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Yana Bili Bili. Akunubani fenwenwe ndi mmadụ na-achọ ojula manya ọtụtụ ụzọ ka ụfọdụ si akpata ego ọtụtụ ụzọ ka ụfọdụ si enweta akụ na ụba onye anya ukwu biko welu ya nwayọọ onye ntachi obi welu ya nwayọọ Ochanja batubireki o Ochanja chole ego Ochanja Ochanja cholo chenji kele kele Ochanja ya Ochanja cholo yana mele mele Ochanja Ochanja cholo yana bele bele Oh Ochanja Tututa, weta tego. Ochanje folulan tututa, adana misego. Ochanje folulan tututa.